I was planning on making a video today about pickling cucumbers, but we got this big old storm. And I'm here in Manor, northeast of Austin. We're getting hail in late June, which isn't really a first, but it's super uncommon. Storm's pretty rough. It's knocked out the power. My wife and I and our baby are hanging out here in the dark.
I guess we're not gonna cook anything.
We can just eat crackers. I don't know. But I wanted to walk over to my front where it's a little more shielded. Show you guys what it's like. Oh, Lord. Wow, I was not expecting that, actually. Good God. The only reason my trash can hasn't blown away there. Oh, wow.
Alright. Maybe we keep this closed.
Okay, that's fine. That's a thing.
That's wet right there.
Yeah, so let me try over here again. I mean, none of that's coming through on the camera, I bet, but it looks like there's a hurricane out there. I'm not gonna open this door. So I don't want what's out there. I don't want that for my... Good God. If you see my other videos, you know there's some peach trees out there. Can't really see them right now. They're out there.
Sugar's dog bed and that and shampoo's out there right now.
No, I don't care. Just nice to get some rain.